Hey everybody, Mike Wrench Mike. We are back with another edition of Springtime in Tulsa. And by spring, I mean broken valve spring. And I mean huge headache. Yeah, we're going to fix it today though, because it is literally 15 degrees outside. So I am going to stay inside and show you how we fix this, because I have a lot of parts from Mercedes. Monkey, Wrench, Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
If you've been following the series, you know we have already replaced all of the springs on this side. Now, we did not. We took the car for a quick drive and we broke the spring. We broke it so bad, it's in this bag right here. I had to take it to the dealership and show them. That's the spring. It's in two pieces. They couldn't believe it. So they were kind enough to order me some new parts. I have new bolts, because when we put the cam bridge back on top, you use new bolts. Two of them are shorter. And I also just happen to have, here they are, some valve seals. I got an extra one because the spring broke so bad I'm limping because I just stepped on the most oily rag ever. The valve right here, scoot in, scoot in, scoot in. The valve oil seal, I think it was damaged when I whacked on it because the spring was so broken. So I had to order another one, but I actually got two so we can mess one up and still be covered. Look there, they gave me 4. I just wanted 2, but they sent 4. These are actually called condoms, believe it or not. Yep, they fit right on top of the valve stem right there. Yep, it goes right there to protect that and prevent unwanted pregnancy. So we're going to take the old one off, we'll put the new one on, and we are going to secure the valve with my little locking needle nose pliers right there. Ooh. There you go. That's the old one. See how beat up? There's the new one. Look at that. So much better. Okay, so we'll use our little condom and we will attach the new one. Want a little bit of oil. There it is, and you just tap it on. There she blows. New one, beautiful. Just want to make sure it is fully seated. And just like that one. Just like that one. Love it. Condom off. There it is. Beautiful. Now let's attach the spring, the valve seat and the spring.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe. There's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. So tell
Okay. Little holes right there. The holes make such a big difference. One hole this way, one hole that way. All the difference in the world. And with that, woo, we have completed our job. Almost. And for a second time, 2 times, we have fixed the S55. 2 times, 3 springs in a year and some months. How about that? So you know what it means. The time has come. The time has come. And, oh gosh, you know, it's a good thing I took this out. Yeah, that would have been a disaster. Okay. We are going to give her a start. We're going to say a little P-R-A-Y-E-R. And we're going to give her a start. We're going to check for fluid leaks, for gasoline leaks, weird sounds, and all that kind of stuff. All right? Hopefully the battery's charged. If not, it's another typical day or night. It's now 8 o'clock at night, and the temperature's dropped even more here in T-Town. Typical night for the Monkey Wrench mic. Let's give her a start. Okay, very carefully, let's look for some leaks. She sounds good, doesn't she? Well, she sounded good last time, too. Nothing, 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 nothing. No leak there. We're looking on this side. Nothing, 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 nothing. She's going to start smoking in a minute, because we dumped a whole bunch of oil and all kinds of stuff on the exhaust. But listen to her. Listen to her. Look at me while I try to drag this thing out. I had to pour the gas out. And it was too cold to go outside, so I literally dumped it on the floor. And now it's all over here. Okay. But there's the battery. All right, we're going to call that a win. This is huge. Huge. And most of all, no check engine light. Okay? SRS light, we're still trying to trace right there. No check engine. ABS will go away after I go left and right. SRS light goes back to that door, I think. But just listen to her. Mikey likey. Mikey lovey. Once again, Mike should have cleaned up a little bit. What is that? Okay, folks, that is how you fix an S55 for a second time, a third time, a fourth time. But listen, she sounds really good. So you know what that means? Road trip. Yep, we're going to take the S55 out on the road and see how she does. Plus, I'm thinking it might be fun to compare the S55 AMG with the S63 AMG. Talk about both of them, park them right next to each other, see how they compare, and take a little performance test or two. You want to do that? You want to have some fun with these cars? Or should I just sell this one before it breaks down again? Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. There is life in these old Mercedes after all, and I'm glad that you are on the journey with me. All right? Like your kids if you got them. Bye.